Launching your product as an Amazon FBA private label seller is probably one of the most crucial steps in building an Amazon business. Not taking the right steps to build that visibility for your products could make or break your brand and business. Now, what are some of those product launch mistakes to avoid? Let's go. What is up, my Prestige fam, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube family. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Andy. I've been selling on the Amazon platform as a private label seller for a few years now. So if you guys are new here, welcome. Consider subscribing. I release videos twice a week just for the Prestige fam, so welcome. If you guys are interested in a growing Facebook community just for this channel, definitely check out Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind on Facebook, and there's a direct link to that down below. There's a cheat sheet, the 2019 Amazon FBA cheat sheet for the Prestige fam down below as well. I'll be updating that real soon, and if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is stay till the end of this video, and I'll let you guys know how you can be entered into winning that. So, as mentioned in the intro, product launches for your products can be one of the most crucial things that you would need to do successfully in launching a successful product and a successful business. If you're not building that visibility, if you're not gaining that visibility for your product in terms of organic or sponsored ads, you're not going to be making the sales. You're not going to be gaining keyword volume or keyword search ranking. You're not going to be gaining organic sales ranking either. So it's definitely really important to have people see your products, have them be able to look at your listing and, hopefully convert into a purchase. This will in turn, as mentioned, increase your ranking, increase your search, keyword search ranking, and just overall boost your sales. It wasn't until a few years ago where old tactics were still working. They don't really work anymore in terms of launching your product. A lot of the old tactics included things like, giving out 99% off coupons and hoping, having people search certain search terms to rank your products. Deep discounted giveaways don't really work anymore. So if you guys are still giving away, 99% off coupons, Amazon has kind of caught on to that, and they don't really rank as well. So it doesn't, 99% off purchase or 70% off purchase or 80% off purchase doesn't count as much. Doesn't count for much anymore in comparison to a full price purchase. So there's definitely a lot of new launch strategies now, but definitely if you guys are still looking into deep discounted giveaways and you guys are still doing deep discounted giveaways, I can almost guarantee you guys that it's not going to work, because I've actually done it, I think earlier last year, and even then it wasn't even working. So you definitely see a lot more of the results with full price purchases. So there's definitely new trends in doing giveaways, and if you guys have done giveaway services, a lot of them are changing nowadays. A lot of them still do, certain discounted prices and giving away like certain coupons for, semi-deep discounts. Use those at your own risk. I don't really recommend them. They have changed their policy and they have changed their launch processes a little bit since, the Amazon changes, and Amazon has changed their algorithm. So in turn, these giveaway softwares and these giveaway programs do have to, kind of adapt, but, use them at your own discretion. Go for it or don't go for it. It's up to you guys. Another big way that used to work in the past that doesn't work anymore is people used to go to, discount and giveaway groups. These groups would exist on Facebook, and they would have tens and hundreds of thousands of people, and basically you just kind of throw your product up there, say, hey, I have this product, I'm giving away 20 every single day for the next 14 days, and people would just say, hey, I want one, hey, I want one. And that's how the giveaway groups would work. And sometimes these giveaways, these people that would take your giveaway product would then leave a review. This definitely does not work anymore. A lot of these giveaway groups have been taken down. A lot of these people from the original giveaway groups have been flagged on the actual Amazon platform. So even if these people were to leave you a review, it would probably get taken down and probably reflect horribly upon your listing because it sees that you have a lot of these flagged people reviewing your product. So definitely tread cautiously when you guys are doing and getting reviews or trying to get reviews from elsewhere other than organically. A lot of these sellers and a lot of these buyers are actually flagged, so tread lightly when you guys are doing this. I have warned you guys, you see a lot of people getting their reviews wiped, especially over the last few months. So this has been a common problem and a common problem to definitely look out for. Another big launch mistake is not using PPC. And if you're not familiar with what PPC is, I created a few videos a few weeks ago on different types of PPC and what PPC is used for and how it's valuable and how you can use it to scale your business. But PPC, if you're unfamiliar, is Amazon's advertising platform. It stands for pay-per-click. Amazon sponsored ads, same. It's extremely important and one of the main key factors in launching your product now, especially going into 2020. It's one of those ways to launch your product that's completely within terms of services because you're throwing money at Amazon, using their platform to launch your product, gain visibility. And if you have a really good product that people actually want to buy, just having that visibility for your product through sponsored positions on certain search pages for certain search terms is extremely important. One, because you are gaining that organic or semi-organic traffic to your listing. You are targeting certain keywords, so you're also building keyword ranking, and in turn, by making sales, you're also building your sales ranking, decreasing your BSR. I always want to say increasing your BSR, but decreasing your BSR for the better. So PPC is extremely important, especially going into 2020, and it was important in 2019. It's one of the main ways I launched my products. And it may cost a little more upfront money, but that's just part of the Amazon FBA business model in 2019 and going into 2020. Or we're in 2020. I don't know, I keep saying that, but it's extremely important and a huge player in launching your product. And a third mistake, and probably one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of people make, a lot of beginners make when launching a product, is thinking that they can launch a product that is already on the market. You guys, there's tons and tons of products on the Amazon FBA or Amazon Marketplace, and a lot of these products almost look exactly the same. So I mean, in reality, why would you want to be launching a product that looks exactly the same as another product? Although you know that this product is already doing well, what makes somebody want to buy your product that has 0 reviews over somebody else's product that already has 2,000 reviews or even 200 reviews? It just doesn't make sense why you would be launching something very similar. There's tons and tons of ways to be able to differentiate, even in terms of color, quantity, quality, different designs or something like that, different, just improving on certain things. It's extremely important, especially going into 2020, that you differentiate your product, if that requires opening a new mold for something, if that requires, completely changing something to suit the actual consumer base and see what they actually want in a product. A good way to do that, by the way, is just to read bad reviews of your competitors. Don't be releasing a product that looks exactly the same as something on the market. It's not going to sell well. If it does sell well, it's extremely lucky that it does, but chances are you really need to improve a product in some way, and not just improving upon the listing and images, improving upon the actual products, because that's what they're actually buying. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. I'm hoping it will save you guys some money, and I'm hoping it will save you guys some time from jumping into a product that you're not really sure about, or making a huge launch mistake and spending wasting a lot of time launching a product that wasn't really successful or as successful as you hoped it would be. But if you found this helpful, again, please help the YouTube algorithm, help my channel, like this video. If you guys would like to see future videos, definitely consider subscribing. If you guys have any questions at all, definitely drop them down below. I get to all my questions as soon as I can. And if you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is like this video, comment down below, #Prestige Amazon FBA, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned to the next video. I'll definitely let you guys know if you guys have one. And again, as always, I thank you guys for staying till the end of this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope it helped you guys out. But until next time, I'll catch you guys at the next one. Peace.